I didn't see you there. You looking for a hairstyle that's not gonna break the bank that you could do yourself? Look no further. Got you right here, right now with this quick weave. This look like my hair, look like I just did it so pressed. I know, don't be fooled. One of my favorite CC creators from The Sims 4 did this unit for the game. They made this hair. Their hairs all look so good if you're a Simmer. I'm like an on and off Simmer, but I love The Sims. I have a special place in my heart for The Sims. So I saw Kiko Vanity post this hair. I said, my hair needs to look like that right now. For that being my sole inspiration today, like, I killed it. Tell me we not twinning. I know it ain't JaLeah back for another video. It is. We doing a good old fashioned quick weave, and let's hop right on into it. These are some 20-inch bundles from Unice. I went ahead and washed and dried them. A little damp, just a little bit. They dry enough, and this is the body wave in its natural dry state. And I ain't gonna kid you, I got my braid down ready. But we can go back and rewind it, and I'll show you how we got here really quick. Before we can even braid anything down, we're gonna have to blow dry the hair. So I use my blow dryer along with my heat protectant spray and my Dream Coat Color Wow. These two products together save my hair from looking frizzy, and this preps my leave out to be flat iron. This Dream Coat is something serious. It's a must-have, I think, for these humid months. For hair that's natural, that's not used to being flat ironed, it's not heat trained. This Dream Coat Color Wow super natural spray, you need some of this. This is a little bottle I got from Sephora, and I think it was like 20 bucks. And this is the heat protectant spray I'm using. It is the Icy Fantasia hair polisher. I need my hair to revert back, and my hair is always reverting back using this heat protectant. Once my hair is all blow dried and fresh and ready to go, let's go ahead and start on this breakdown. I'm doing a side part today, so let's get out all the hair necessary for that side part leave out. I'm doing my side leave out braid as well as my main leave out braid, just to section it away from the hair. But if you don't want to do a braid down for this quick weave, do not feel like you have to. I think my hair hates to be in a ponytail, so any chance I get to braid it on up and give it a chance to just rest it on out, I give it that chance. I did 6 braids and it took me about 20 minutes to just braid everything down. And as I'm braiding my hair, I'm feeding the braid into the next braid so my hair lays flat in the back and all the hair is kind of packed together. And once those braids are all feeded into each other, this is the end result you're gonna get. So I'm ready to go ahead and put on this wig cap. Products you're gonna need for your base prep are a black wig cap, some Wonder Wrap, as well as that good old 30-second super bonder glue. I got mine upside down, ready to go. Without further ado, let's get into the meat and potatoes of the look. I'm gonna cut my ears out just so everything can be really seamless. Little lip liner along the line of my part. I'm thinking the braid down is the hardest part because now we're about to get in speed mode. Once we get in speed mode, we can't stop. We just keep going. So to start it out, let's go ahead and trace along the perimeter. One thing about it on this channel is you gotta do as I say and not as I do. Now you see me putting this glue on the edge of my hairline. It felt real smart in the moment. Don't do that shit. Do not do that shit. Leave you some leave out on the side, even if it's the tiniest bit of leave out. If you gotta do half the amount of leave out, I'll leave out just so that you can have less hair out. Like, have less hair out. That's the one thing I learned. You don't need all this hair out. Put it up. Leave some hair out in the front and leave half as much in the leave out section. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna put this a little bit in. This will just help protect the hair further from any damage. And I'm just gonna use this little color brush to smooth this Wonder Cap down. And this will add us another layer of hold as well. I don't want this to be thick or too much. I'm just trying to smooth as much as I can. I'm killing it right now. Like, who need a quick weave done? I don't know. I'm not gonna do it, but if you need to know how to do the quick weave, here's the video on how to do your own. For 17 years, the cap is dry enough. First bundle. I remember when bundles used to be so thick, like you got a 20-inch bundle and it'd be the biggest bundle you ever seen in your life. Back in my day. The hair is just a little bit damp, but it'll be alright. I'm gonna start by building up the back before I move on to building up this front bang, but we will move over there eventually. But to start, let's just build up this back area and little by little make our way up. I'm just measuring the hair, cutting it where I measured it, going ahead and just adding the glue to the weft. And you can kind of tell when the glue dries a little bit, it turns darker. So until this glue dries a little bit darker, let's go ahead and blow dry. Right up under my braids is where I'll place this. And we now repeat. Measure, cut, glue, blow dry, apply. If y'all wonder what's going on in the back of my head, me too. Anything that's going on back here do not concern me right now. Things are getting real. The first bundle is running out. For the rest of this first bundle, we can begin the bang. This one's gonna go all the way from right here to right here. Bow, same steps. Nothing new, nothing changed. Same old shit. Glue. Boom, let's get it. Start this one. Wow, that was a little difficult, but I did it. Repeat the same steps we did just now. Something I learned while doing this is just using your fingers to trace where it's gonna go right above the track. I don't know if that makes sense, but you can just feel the underneath track while you're applying the newest one and just follow that along the way. And like I said before about this side part, you should have just the littlest bit of leave out right in front and do this on the braid. But other than that, everything else came out really nice. Would I minimize the amount of leave out I had in general? Yes, but that's my only critique of this. I killed the quick weave. Do it just how I did it, and maybe you could look half as good as I'm playing. I hope you look better. Bundle 2, let's fill this bitch up, and I'll meet y'all when something changes, because we're right here at this curved juncture. Now, I'm gonna add a track right here in the back and just start doing this back end right here. Finally, last piece, the last piece. Done. Hair is flat. All that's left is this tiny little sliver of hair. I used all 3 bundles except for this. I'm really excited to see my leave out and to do my makeup and everything. Let's keep going. So let's go ahead and cut off this cap because I'm ready to be done. Let's get it off. Let's cut, because I'm done. I'm free. I made it. All the cap is gone. Hopefully I only cut a little bit of my hair because I might have cut some of it. Hopefully not a lot. I think it's time to free the leave out. I got my flat iron plugged up to 390. I'm not trying to heat damage my hair. That's not the goal whatsoever. So we're gonna go small sections, 390. And I can't wait to be beautiful and hot and sexy and everything of the sort. Could I have dyed my leave out a little bit before I did this? Yes. Did I? No. Leave out is flat ironed, and now it's just time to flat iron the hair. We're in the final stretch here. We're almost there. I got some crazy leave out, but I just perfected my part, so let's super perfect it. I got my wax stick, and let's just begin. I don't want too much wax stick because I need my leave out to be leave out in for a week, but we need it to also be leave out in the right way. I'm not really too big on curling my baby hair. I want to curl them one good time so that they can last throughout the duration of my leave out. I'm going back to O Reliable. She never steered me wrong. She's never done me dirty. She might have burned me a few times, but that was probably my fault. I can set the heat to a temperature that I manage instead of just that one flat iron that it's just the heat it is, you know? So this is just so I don't burn up my edges because I need them. Now that those are curled, we can use my edge booster. I'm trying to use as light product as I can because, again, we need this to stretch. We can't just have this style for the day or two. We need it for plural. It's a new day and it's time to style. Side part already breaking me out. Listen, baby hair is complete. Now we're gonna cut this hair a little bit. Nothing crazy, just like an inch or two, and it adds some light layers. So this is the hair, 20 inches. It's a kind of a long 20 inches, so let's just make it a real 20 inches by getting rid of some of this dead weight right here. Already just looks a lot more full. And then now my leave out goes to about right here. So just some light layers. Light layers my ass. If you really want some defined curls, you don't want loose body wave S curls, you want a curl, you cannot be afraid of a cut. You got to layer that hair. It's the only way your curls are going to last. But don't mind me and my light layers. I'm using my 1-inch barrel curling arm. I'm going to curl the face framing curls towards my face and the rest away. I should spray this with some hairspray. Make sure you do that. Time is now. Let's take these out. I'm just really excited to look good and for my hair to look like exactly the picture in my mind. And I just like leave feeling so amazed that I could like create such a beautiful style. Hairspray. What it is. Yeah. Oh, wow. I'm about to look so good. Hold on. Okay, I put on some earrings. I got to get up out of here, so let's see what it's looking like. Low spray. Low spray. Yes. 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 A million times yes. It's a new era. An era that doesn't have to be like that grandiose. Like, fuck a lace, fuck a sew-in, get in that studio and do your hair your damn self. We in a recession. Y'all know me, I do have to go. I'm so appreciative of you to watch for the end of the video. I hope your hair turns out just as amazing as mine did, because shout out to Unice Hair for this beautiful body wave. It seems to be holding a curl very well, and I am so glad that I get to have a week or two. I ain't gonna be 3. A week or 2 of just a great hair. So shout out to you guys. I had fun. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.